Hey everyone, Wazoo here with a quick 1-minute video on how to improve some of your Java object instantiation. Yeah, we're going to be learning about the builder pattern today. So here we are in a simple model file, and you'll notice that we're using the getter setter entity annotations from Lombok. So we're going to add one more, builder. And then we're going to go into our controller, and instead of being able to create a new object and setting each property individually, what we're going to do is use the builder of the to-do model to do all that work for us. What problem does the builder pattern address? It addresses being able to easily instantiate object properties without needing to create different sets of constructors for each different combination of properties you're looking to generate for that object. Hopefully you found this useful. Try it out in some of your Java programs, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks everyone. Peace.